So tell me, with a job like that, how do you go about designing? How do you come up with ideas for a kitchen like that? You use a program called Chief Architect.
Right.
And
it's a program we've been using now over a dozen years.
Yeah, I know. I helped you get into it.
You bet, yeah. Dan and I have known each other a long time.
We have known each other a long time. It's pretty neat to get together and see all the new stuff. So you'll sit here, you'll bring your clients in here, and you'll design with them here?
Yes.
So, I mean, you can actually be trying out ideas and showing them in 3D.
It's typically what we do here is we enter their measurements in the computer.
So you go out and measure their existing house.
And take pictures as well. It's all digital. So we have pictures of their house here. I'll bring that up here in a minute.
Yeah, so that's the as-built. Yeah, this X2 takes a while to load for some reason, but once it's up, it should be fine. Right. There we go. So show me a plan that you've done, something that you've drawn.
It's going to take me a second to find because we have been connected to the network here.
Oh, okay. Oh, you gotta get online.
Show you.
Just
bring up pictures here while we bring up the other.
Take a look at some of your projects that you've done. You probably have some of this on your website.
Yes.
That's a nice computer screen. Everybody should have a computer screen, I think. Of course, most people do now. They just have to have a TV. The new digital TVs, you can plug your computer right into it. This is a great way for you to show your customers product information and project information. Okay, so there's a project that...
Here's a job we did that was in the latest Builder Architect magazine. This is a picture before the kitchen. This was actually moved into on D-Day, December 7th, 1942, by the original owners. And we met with the client, and they had very unique ideas and requirements. They wanted to create it like it was back in 1942, except to be modern. And what we did is we added an addition on. We took a picture of the back of the house and designed it, built it, a little addition like I say here. And what happened, it was transformed into this look right here.
Oh my goodness.
The old first picture I showed you ended right here.
Okay.
And we added out that way.
That's gorgeous.
And she had very specific ideas as far as the color, the style of the cabinetry, the hardware. She wanted to display things, and she's quite creative and made all of her own drapes. All of her own.
So you took all of this all of her creativity, and you helped her bring it into her plan.
Yes.
Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that.
Yeah. Absolutely amazing. A number of the things that she did was something that exceeded anything we could conceive of to begin with. It was really a fun project because as it developed, there were things that she came up with. For example, she wanted a day bed, so while she's cooking, maybe she could lay down and read a book or take a nap or whatever.
So that's where all that teamwork and creativity of working together and being able to see it in 3D, and that's where all that kind of comes together into the finished product, where it's like, wow.
And this was all created in Chief Architect.
So she knew, the customer knew exactly what it was going to look like before you even started.
Right.
How cool is that? Well, let's take a look at Chief for a second. Can you open a project and show me something?